In a sleepy town, a washed-up street magician named Milo opens a pop-up show that promises flawless tricks but brings gentle chaos. A clumsy rabbit pulls the hat, swaps with Milo's dog, and the act becomes a race to reclaim the curtain while the crowd roars. When Milo flashes a card flourish, every card behaves like a sarcastic performer shouting punchlines. The mayor arrives, mistakes the chaos for satire, and signs a ridiculous contract that Milo cannot escape. Milo ends with a real trick, restores order, and the audience begs for an encore.